Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a quick, easy and simple jerk seasoning marinade. To get started, here I have some scallions, thyme. I'll be using garlic, onions, ginger. I have some browning sauce as well as some habanero peppers. Now usually Scotch bonnet is used for this, but it's hard to find that where I live, so I'm using habanero. That's the closest to Scotch bonnet. And I have some brown sugar and some salt as well as some oil. And for the spices, I have some cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice. I'll be using some lemon juice and some apple cider vinegar. So basically you just want to add all the ingredients to a food processor or a blender, and you just blend it to your desired texture. If you like it smooth or chunky, you just go ahead and do whatever you prefer. Now once you're done, this is how the jerk seasoning looks. This is the way I like my jerk seasoning, but like I said, feel free to do it the way that you like. Next, I'll be seasoning some chicken with this, and it can be used on a number of different things. You can use it on fish, pork, beef, whatever you desire. Please check the description box for this jerk chicken recipe. And here you have it, my version of jerk seasoning marinade. It is absolutely delicious, perfect on any kind of meat or whatever you choose to use it on. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!